Hey, it's Lynette Chandler, and you are watching a series of short tutorials how to supercharge your PowerPoint workflow using BrightSlide, a free tool that you can download from the link below. In this video, I'm going to show you how BrightSlide can help you when you are selecting objects. When you are designing planners or basically just anything, sometimes it can be very difficult to select all the objects that you want. Of course, you can always hit one object, hold down the Shift key, and select all the objects that you want like that. However, if you have a lot of these items, for example, we make a lot of trackers in our planners. And sometimes the trackers may, depending on the design, they may have different sizes and colors and outlines for different pages. And sometimes when we're changing designs or changing colors, all we want are the objects that match a specific set of rules. For example, objects that are only outlined in green, or objects that are only outlined in blue, or only outlined in gray, or maybe different colored objects. So for example, let's change this shape fill to an orange here, and maybe that one to a green. BrightSlide makes it easier to select these objects, especially if they are layered one on top of the other, and you just want to select one of these layers without having to go into the Arrange and Selection pane here. You can do it here, but when you have a long list of objects, it makes it very, very difficult, especially if they aren't labeled properly. Let's check out what BrightSlide can do. Let's click on BrightSlide tab right here. Supposing if we want to select the ones that are only outlined in green, we first select the one that we want as an example for it to work with. And we can go into Select Objects, and this drop down will ask you which one you want. So I say Outline Color, and see it has selected the ones that are only outlined in green. So let's do another one. What about ones that are outlined in blue? Select that, Outline Color, and again, it will select that regardless of the shape. What if we want to select the ones with the same fill color? We do that. The process is the same. This time we'll just choose Fill Color. BrightSlide also is able to detect shapes. If I want to select only all the parts, we can do Select Object and Shape Type. And right now it will select all the hearts. Now you can do all kinds of selections as well, like the outline of the weight, and select only items with the same font size, with the same font color, and with the font name. This perhaps is the one tool that I use the most when designing my planners and journals and workbooks, and I hope that it will help supercharge your workflow as well.